Hi, welcome to BoldPM Insights. My name is Hector Del Castillo, Chief Product Officer at BoldPM. We help product executives and leaders turn ideas into valuable products. Today's question is, why is team building a top leadership skill in 2021 for product managers? Product management and productivity go hand in hand. Team building ensures your product teams are more productive. In today's business environment, most organizations are looking to accelerate new initiatives like innovation and digital transformation. A great team builder ensures product teams are on the same page, work well together, and increase their motivation to complete tasks in a timely manner. In short, a great team builder ensures their teams are focused and enthusiastic about getting things done right the first time. That is why it's so important that as a product leader, you understand how to build positive, high performing product teams. Amazon is a great example of a company that became a global online retailer by building and nurturing high performing product management teams. The leading online retailer is actually profiting more today from its SaaS portfolio through Amazon Web Services because of business savvy product managers. If you need help in building high performing product teams to achieve better outcomes, consider signing up for upcoming BoldPM Academy workshops. Reach out to us if you have any questions. We'll be happy to discuss your situation and how we can help. Thanks for joining me today. Have a great week.